Alright guys, and welcome to our trip to the MotoGP 2024 in Mugello. We are ready to go. So we're getting away as fast as we can from Belgium to enjoy the beautiful side of Germany. So after a full day of highway driving, we really enjoyed the beautiful views of the Black Forest here in Germany. Because of the rain, obviously we had to be more careful and couldn't go all in, but still we enjoyed it. So then we arrived in Constance, around the lake in Germany. We found an amazing spot to eat, we enjoyed the food. And then while eating, we checked our sleeping availabilities and possibilities. So we found a camping, and that's where we ended up for the night.
Very good cocktail here. We bought in the tank station on the highway. We had a nice day today, but it was very rainy. It was warm, but yeah, we have to put the rainy clothes on. We booked the Hütte, like they call it in Germany, a Hütte. Because it's gonna very storm tonight. And yeah, we put like 700 kilometers a day. It was all of it was highway. Yeah, it was good. It was fun with the good friends. And tomorrow we do only not highways, nothing. We do only the curves, you know, the sideways. It's very nice tomorrow. You're gonna see tomorrow the nice views. You're gonna be jealous.
And what is Sasha doing?
I'm planning the route for tomorrow and the next day, after tomorrow. And then we end. Tomorrow we end in Italy at Porlesa. We've booked a tiny house, and then we go through the TET to the Garda Lake.
Alright, so everyone slept really good. Now we're preparing to go through the Swiss Alps into Italy. That's a full day of Switzerland today. We're all ready to go. We're going to stop the first place we see to have some breakfast. And yeah, we will see how the rest of the day goes. What are we doing, guys?
Drinking coffee, huh?
Drinking a coffee, having some breakfast. Nom, nom, nom.
I'm just eating my dessert from last night.
And then we're ready to go. The Furka Pass is closed. The Furka Pass is closed. The whole route we took, for what? It's closed. So, Shasha walked all the way up the mountain to ask the working people if it's possible to pass the closed Furka Pass. Now we're going to try to get through, I think. And I hope, because we drove all the way here to then see that it's fucking closed, so yeah. So the pass was closed. Now we have to take a train, which is also a nice experience, obviously. A bit crazy. Putting the bikes on the train, huh?
Yep. Because James Bond didn't let us through.
So the bikes were moving like crazy, like moving, blah, 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 blah. So we had to put them on the middle stands. So we finally arrived at the second camping spot. We rented a little house, like we said. And it was a really exhausting day, a really beautiful day. But now it's time to go to sleep.
Surviving, huh?
Surviving with good breakfast. From when is the pizza?
Huh?
From when was the pizza?
Yesterday night.
Yeah, so it's still okay, I guess. Huh? What's the plan of today?
We go to Como Lake and then we start riding the TET section 7 in Italy for 300 plus kilometers. So we end at Garda Lake to have a good night.
Amazing plan, amazing plan, amazing bike, amazing guy. Ready for today? Riding TET section 7 in Italy with the RT. And then we have Dori preparing himself mentally.
Yes.
After a good slice of pizza this morning,
Yes, but not good for my stomach. Huh?
he's ready to go.
No.
Good morning, Louis. How did you sleep?
Morning. Whoa. Short but deep, with a lot of beer noise. I found out it was Doriano and Sasha.
Yeah, you had a good night. Yeah.
I'm good. Yeah.
Ready for today?
I'm excited for today. First TET, the first time. Well, let's see how it goes with the full group.
Let's go.
Hope we don't crash and arrive at a beautiful spot to sleep.
And juries, we are ready.
So after 15 minutes of driving, we arrive at Lake Como. Now we're waiting for the boat and the tickets, because the guys are there waiting in line to get the tickets to get across Lake Como. On the other side, we're going to fill the motos, have breakfast, and start the TET.
Should make it
Yeah.
safely.
Just take the jump.
Take the jump.
Yeah.
No boat needed.
Where are we, guys?
On the boat. On the boat to the other side.
Ah.
driving pretty careful, but still in moments like this you realize why we do it. It's a wake-up call, and we're lucky nothing happened.
at the TET. Section 6 we did. We went.
Slow scooter, 1200 RTA.
Oh, we made it with a lot of effort, a lot of helping each other, a lot of fucking snow, ice. But we made it, hopefully through the worst part. I guess. Explain what the fuck happened. What just happened? Because we didn't record any of it. Explain.
We were driving to the campsite. It was like wild camping. And we were trying to figure out the way we were going. And we went for a pee. And at that moment I heard someone screaming far away in the middle of nowhere. So we just jumped on the bikes and we started fucking racing out of the fields.
We were fucking scared. And who was in the back? Who was the last? Who was the last?
Me, yeah? Fuck you, it's not funny, yeah? No, it's not funny.
Why, yo? Yelling. Drive, 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 drive. But, and we were in the field. We were literally in the field next to a forest which we just got stuck into. So we drove away through the grass, the wet grass. Ines almost fell. Yeah, in front of me. And Doriano kept yelling, run, 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 run. Go fast, go fast. So we got out. I don't know who was yelling, but
I don't know either.
Yeah, no, obviously we don't know who, but that was scary as fuck. There was nothing to do there. was just a road into a forest. So yeah. Now we're searching other place to sleep tonight. Alright, so we arrive at the camping, which is closed obviously, but this guy is calling to give us a spot. At what time is? Yeah, 11:30. So hopefully we can still put a tent. Good morning everyone from Garda Lake. We're enjoying the breakfast on the water. Oi! And today we're not gonna drive so much, huh?
No, I think we only do 300 kilometers today. But it's not like bendy roads.
Just normal expressways. And
Between the fields.
what's our first stop?
Verona.
Verona. Hey Dory. Also, we found a KTM in Verona.
What?
We found a KTM
Yeah,
store.
we're gonna fix my bike.
We're gonna fix the bike. So Dory is now waiting for Dory, because they're looking if they have the broken thing for his mirror. I hope we can fix it, but the guy looks sad, so I don't think so. And Dory has 2 mirrors again, all new. Nothing happened. Obviously, it's BMW again who has the problems. The oil light went on, so we're trying to buy some oil because it was almost empty. And then we go on to the Ferrari Museum. So today we have a day off, and what are we doing? In Italy you have to shop, you know. So we are in Centrum Firenze.
Firenze.
Yeah.
They park
We've-
on motorcycles, but yeah, I think it's a little bit sketchy. Eh? In Italy, all the school. But yeah, there's one motor here and there's nothing problem. So yeah, well, we have a beautiful bike. So here's the shit bike.
Oh, the boys. We just went to eat in Firenze. We, with the motorcycles, are already back. I have to take a massive dump in the toilet, but the car is more slow, so we have to wait. And I really have a problem. Ragazzo, dove sei? Mugello! What the fuck are we doing?
Standing on the circuit.
Walking on the Mugello! Shit!
So after almost losing my license because I passed the cops doing a wheelie, it's time to pack our stuff and get ready for our way back home.
Today we got 2 racks. What's his size, huh?
Not funny, yeah?
Not funny, yeah?
No.
So the group split up at this moment because the other ones were really tired and wanted to take the highway to the destination, the sleeping place of tonight. We wanted to take the route we chose to take, the beautiful one. But guess what? It's closed because they are working on it. And we have to wait until 5.
Yep.
But
that's,
it is
23 minutes.
yeah, a little bit, 20 minutes. So we have to wait now. But at least we have an amazing view. I guess we will chill here. So because it's closed, we were looking and we had the time to look at this, which I don't understand, but it's pretty clear that every 2 minutes, I mean it's actually 1 minute I guess they mean, the light is green to enter the tunnel. And then almost 15 minutes, I mean 10 minutes, is just driving the tunnel. So I guess it's a pretty long tunnel.
What's up?
So we just stepped in Genoa.
Yeah.
What is the plan of today?
We're going to some town in Italy where we can start riding TET section 1. We end up somewhere in the mountains and then we drive down to Monaco to have a gambling night.
The RP. Okay. Huh? What is this fix? What is this fix?
Shitty bags.
give an update. What happened?
No, don't ask the update to the
Nothing happened. We just drove like 20 kilometers of that first section in like almost 3 hours.
Wij hebben 3 uur gereden, juist.
2:30.
Dus
Ja, wij is-
het is 20 naar 2.
Staat om naar Monaco te gaan, hè?
Yeah, we have one thing to say to
Hij
this
staat om
guy.
naar Monaco te gaan.
Go fuck yourself, hè. Hier.
I think someone is not so very happy with the TET we're doing today.
Someone. No one. Motherfucker.
But I like it.
Maar dan denk ik.
I can drive. I love it, yeah.
Yeah, you, yeah. And me going on my back all the time, eh? Falling.
Je wilt niet zien wat er met die TET aan het gebeuren was. Moet je?
Ah ja, dat is met dat kraantje. Maar dat zit er mee op.
Okay, so the group split up again.
Like yesterday.
Yeah.
Rihanna was getting fucked with his eyes.
Yeah,
Tired
the-
as fuck, so they decided to go to Monaco.
Already straight with the highway, and we were checking the TET section 1 that we saw on other YouTube videos, which looked pretty easy and nice, but what we saw was
Quite hard.
quite different.
Yeah, it was difficult. We had some struggles. From the point the group split, it was quite easy. The weather is not in our favor for the nice view, so
Yeah,
it's,
everything is full of clouds, so we can't see the amazing views we have.
we arrived on for the night. It's quite beat up. So now we have to do, I think, there's a 70 kilometers more, and then we are back on the paved road to Monaco. So yeah, almost finished.
Let's go.
It's 30 past 4.
Okay,
Yeah, we'll
half
make it.
past 4, yeah, okay. Quick break. 50 kilometers to
Monaco.
Hoppa. So, Shasha, where did we just arrive?
Monaco.
Monaco.
We just arrived in Monaco.
And we are waiting for the guys because they were already here, obviously, because we took the big TET route and they were already here. So, now, I don't know, we're waiting for them to come with the key and to open the garage. So eventually we were really tired, but we really had an amazing night in Monaco. We went to the casino, took a walk around town and really enjoyed every second of it. So in the morning we say goodbye to Dory and Ines because Dory really had to go to the hospital in Belgium, which is just 1 day drive. That day me and Shasha went to visit Saint-Tropez to enjoy the day there, and in the evening we wanted to sleep there but decided to just start driving home and find a place to sleep on the way home.
So we've been awake for a full day, and then we started driving, and literally after 2 hours we couldn't stay awake anymore. So we found a F1 hotel, which we couldn't book a room, so we just slept with our heads on the table, but was enough, like 1 or 2 hours sleep, and we continued driving home. So all by all, this was an amazing holiday, real new experiences. We do this every year, and we will try to improve our video content of our journeys.